I'm finally back working on the gravel bike project, and here's where I left off with the last video. The frame is all cleaned up, the C-tube is slotted and reamed, and it's ready for finishing. In this video, I'll add frame saver, apply the Patina solution, add some paint, and start building it up. The first thing I did was add frame saver. As far as I can tell, brand name frame saver isn't being made anymore, so this Pro Gold stuff will have to do the trick. After the frame saver, I Scotch-Brite the entire frame, then wipe it down with denatured alcohol. A few frames ago I made these head tube and bottom bracket shell plugs so I can hang the frame a couple different ways and also move the frame around without touching it. I've cold blued a couple frames now with standard gun bluing solution, but I thought I would use a different product this time. Sculpt Nouveau makes a bunch of different patina and finishing products, and I figured I'd give them a try. The Midnight Black ended up pretty similar to gun bluing, but with a little different tint. After the patina was applied to the frame, I wipe it down with a wet rag to remove any excess solution. I went back and forth on how I wanted to paint this frame. I really like the combination of paint and patinated metal, so I've gotten in the habit of painting just the front of the frame. Then I don't have to worry about paint on the rocker dropouts or under the seat collar. I also wanted to try something else new, a smoke paint job. I added a layer of primer, then used some wooden sticks soaked in oil to add the smoke effect. I did a little testing on a scrap tube, and it turned out better than I thought. When I first got into mountain bikes in junior high, Diamondback had some awesome smoke paint jobs, and I always wanted one. A buddy of mine had one back then, and I was always jealous of that cool paint job. It was a diamond Back Ascent, just like this one that Toasty Rides fixed up a few years ago. I'll put a link to his video in the description. Once I got the smoke effect the way I wanted, I added a clear coat. It's a rattle can paint job, so it's going to get scratched up, but the clear coat should help a little bit. I didn't put any clear on the rear triangle, so I'll just oil it periodically. It will eventually get kind of a rusty patina look. It should be kind of cool. After sanding the paint off the head badge, it's time to start adding parts. And that's as far as I got with this video. In the next video of the series, I'll finish building it up and take it for a test ride. If you're enjoying this channel, consider a super thanks. And if you haven't watched my other videos, go check them out. Thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.